show you guys something. I gotta show you something. Let me show you something real quick. Check out all these old rides right here. Check them, man. Let's get out and check them out. Get off the bike and check them out. Let's check them out, shall we? The green tinted glass on it. Wasted money. Alright. Too cool, man. Got a motor in it? I can't tell if it's got a motor in it or not. Don't know. Looks like it's got a motor in her. Yeah, you know, this would be a fun one right here. Yeah, buddy. Get your fun on with that one. Too cool, man. Too cool. We'll pick up. Old Plymouth. Old Plymouth. Old school one up on the lift. Pretty cool, man. Check this old one out. A record deal hooked up to it. That's old. You know you're old school when you got the wood rims on it. Way cool. Let's check out this wagon over here with the trailer. Too cool, man. Too cool. Too cool. Check this old camper out. How cool is that? Check that thing out. Hopefully you guys can see in there. I'm not getting in there because it ain't my stuff, but too cool, man. Got the crapper and out, everything. Yeah, man, I'd take this wagon in a heartbeat. Ambassador. Yeah, man. Too cool. Let's check out these other trucks over here. This place too. Got some neat stuff over here. The old attendant guy in there. I don't know if you can see in there with the sun, but little pop machine, fire extinguisher. Cool deal, man. Let's check out these trucks over here. Oh, that looks like a hot rod truck. We'll have to make sure we get back there and check that one out too. Old Ford F6, that's pretty cool. Old Chevy. Yeah, so I hope everybody's having a good weekend. My weekend's pretty decent so far. I don't really want to jump up there and look, but I don't want to climb around on the dude's stuff. Old GMC, General Motors truck. Got the key and everything in there. Got another wrecker on there. No, so it's another Chevy. Very cool, man. Check this one out. I like this old Ford. Way cool. Way cool, man. Oh, check out this old bike. It's old school, man. Old school. That's just too cool, man. Check out this little mini car. That is dope. This thing is pretty wild looking. Pretty wild looking. That crazy looking chainsaw over there. Hopefully this dude don't come out with a gun or something. Yeah, that's too cool. Stalker guy. Stalker guy. Old Ford. Too cool. Wicked looking chainsaw right there. Looks like that's a two-man crew right there. Way cool. This dude's got some cool stuff. Old Jack. Cool old sign. Right on, dude. You got some cool stuff, man. Oh, he's got stuff back there. Yeah, I'm not going to get too nosy and go back that far. Yeah, this dude's got some neat stuff over here. You know you got to give this one a thumbs up. How can you not give this a thumbs up? Too cool, man. Too cool. Old gas pumps up front. Let's check them out. I didn't get to check those out. Dude's probably gonna come out here like, what the hell are you doing? Just looking, bro, just looking. Check these old pumps out. I don't think that's the original piece inside there. I could be wrong. I don't know. Anyways, let's get out of here before this dude calls the cops on me. Get in trouble, trespassing and stuff. It's too cool, man. Too cool. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the little video. Oh, check out that old Ford over there. Ford Galaxy or something. Plus the mosquitoes are starting to attack. Peace out. Dang, skeeters.